Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. In today's episode of One Concept 2 Minutes, we are diving deep into decision tree. I remember this one evening, sitting at a buzzing restaurant, hungry but indecisive. I asked myself, do I want vegetarian or non-vegetarian? That cut the menu in half. Next, do I feel like something spicy or mild? Narrowed it down even more. Then, do I want rice, noodles or bread? And just like that, I zeroed in one perfect meal. It struck me later, this is exactly how a decision tree works. Big messy decision broken down into small logical steps. A path chosen questions by question. Dear friends, a decision tree is a type of supervised machine learning model used for both classification and regression tasks. Imagine it like a flowchart. It starts at the root, ask a question about a future, like whether it is age greater than 30. And based on the answer, flows a branch to next question and so on until it reaches the leaf node with a prediction. But how does it decide which question to ask first? That's where the math comes in. It uses the concept like entropy, which measures the amount of uncertainty in our data, and information gain, which tells us how much a question helps reduce that uncertainty. The feature that provides the most clarity, the one that best separates the classes, gets picked to split first. As this process repeats, the tree grows, build a path from general to specific. Its biggest strength. It's easy to understand even for non-tech flows. It's quick and doesn't need feature scaling. It naturally handles both numerical and categorical data. But beware, decision tree can overfit, especially if they grow too deep, like asking too many questions and ending up with overcomplicated logic. So that's why we pruned them, literally trim the tree to keep it smart and simple. Dear friends, whether it's choosing dinner or making prediction with data, the smartest decision often come from asking the right question in the right order. That's the heart of decision tree. Break down the course, follow the branches and arrive at clarity. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and clear lesson on AI and machine learning. See you in the next video. Happy learning, dear friends.